Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today we will solve all class first year physics chapter number 9 physical optics exercise numerical which are included in the reduced syllabus of examination 2021. So let's start our video. First of all, we should know the formula which are used in this exercise. So the first formula which is used y m is equal to m lambda L divided by 2, and for the dark lines the formula is y m is equal to m plus 1 divided by 2 into lambda L divided by d. Here is d. And the second formula is 2nx is equal to m lambda. We have to find the value of x thickness. X would be x is equal to m lambda divided by 2n. And third formula, lambda is equal to 2p divided by m. We have to find the value of m. M is equal to 2p divided by lambda. And the fourth formula is d sine theta is equal to m lambda. And the fifth formula is for x-rays 2d sine theta is equal to m lambda. So in different question we have to find first lambda, then d, and then value of theta. We can find everything from this formula. And remember, when d is not given, we can put d is equal to L divided by n. The values of L and n would be given. So this is important to remember. Formulas of chapter number 9 physical optics. Now moving towards the exercise numericals of this chapter. So from the exercise, all questions are included in the reduced syllabus. We are having 9 numerical problems of this chapter. So the first numerical is, firstly you should know some basic things. Separation of slit is denoted by d, and the distance between slit and the screen is denoted by L. Distance on screen is denoted by y. So these three things you should know, that which we should denote by what. So in the data we have to write, we are firstly given with the d value, which is separation of slit, which is 1 nanometer. Then we are given with the, so we have to find minus, this is equal to change in y. This we have to find it, and we can denote it by y naught. And then we are given with the L value, which is 3 meter. Now, so in the question this is 1 meter and here is also meter, so it will equal to minus 3. And we are given with the value of wavelength lambda. So we can write here lambda is equal to 620 nanometer. Now this is equal to 620 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So we have to find the value of y. M is equal to m lambda L divided by d. This is a formula for m. Now we have to find for central and for fifth bright fringe. So for the first we are finding for the central bright fringe is y naught or 0. So in the place of m we will put 0. 0 into is equal to 0. M value we put 0. Then lambda value can lambda L divided by d. 0 multiplied by any number is 0, so it will be equal to 0. So first we have find for the central fringe. Now For the fifth right fringe is equal to 5 fifth, then 5 into lambda L divided by D. Putting the both values in this equation, I am rewriting this equation: y fifth minus y naught is equal to change in y. So we have to find this. So change in y is equal to fifth is 5 lambda L divided by D minus y0 is 0. So we get answer 5 lambda L divided by G. Now putting the values of all. Now solving them, we will get the value of lambda, which is equal to 9.3 times to power minus 3. 9.3 millimeter is the answer. Moving towards the second numerical. On the second numerical, slits are made by light of two wavelengths. One of the wavelength, this is the lambda 1. On the screen, the fourth dark line of the known wavelength coincides with the fifth bright line on the light of known wavelength. Find the unknown wavelength. So we have to find the lambda 2. We are given with the lambda 1 value. Here we are given with the information of fourth dark line and fifth bright line. Fourth dark line would be 3 and fifth dark line would be 5th. M value is 5 here. For the bright one, M value is 5, and for the dark line, M value is 3. Now moving towards the data and solution. First we are given the lambda 1 value, which is 5.8 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Then we are given for the fourth is 3. Then we have to find the lambda 2 value. Fifth bright is equal to 5. So this is the data. Now we have to find the lambda 2. We will use this equation: ym is equal to m lambda L divided by D, and for the dark one it will be like this: y dark, I am writing here for dark, m plus 1 by 2 into lambda L divided by D. The fourth dark line is equal to fifth dark line. Now for dark, m plus 1 by 2 into lambda L divided by G, and for the bright, m lambda L divided by D. Here the lambda value would be lambda 1 and here lambda 2. M value for dark is 3. 3 plus 1 by 2 into lambda 1 value is 5.8. Putting the value of lambda 1. Now from here L and D would be cancelled as they are common. So we are only left with this value. I am writing here m plus 1 over 2 into lambda 1 is equal to m lambda 2. So this m would divide with this whole factor. The equation would be m plus 1 by 2 lambda 1 divided by m. This is for the dark one. This is for the bright one. So we can denote it like m2 and m1 for the difference, and this is equal to lambda 2. Now putting the values in this equation, 1 divided by m2 value is 5 is equal to lambda 2. Now solving it, we will get the value of lambda 2. 4.06 10 to the power minus 7 is the answer of lambda 2. Now moving towards the third numerical of this exercise. Third problem is important for short. This is the value of P on the screen. When a movable mirror of Michelson interferometer is moved 0.1 millimeter, this is the value of P. How many dark fringes pass through the reference point? If through the wavelength of this, we are given with the wavelength and the value of P, and we have to find the dark fringes. We have to find the value of M. So now moving towards the data and solution. With the values of P, which is 0.1 millimeter, and the value of lambda is equal to 580 nanometer. By converting it, 580 multiplied by nano 10 raised to power minus 9 meter, and we have to find the value of M, dark fringes. It's important for short. We have to convert this millimeter into meter 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Now using the formula, lambda is equal to 2p divided by, so we have to find the value of M. Rearranging this equation, we will get M is equal to 2p divided by lambda. Now putting the values, 2 multiplied by p value is 0.1 10 raised to power minus 3, and dividing by the lambda value 580 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 9. Now solving it, we will get the value of M. So we get the answer 344.8. By taking round off, we get 345 fringes. The 345 inches. Now moving towards the problem number 4. A soap film has reflective index. This value is N, and we have to find how thick must the film be when it appear black when mercury light of a wavelength, this is wavelength, falls on it normally. So we have to find the value of X, thickness. We are given with the value of N, reflective index 1.40, wavelength which is lambda 46.1 nanometer, and we have to find the thickness. We have to find the thickness of a film. 2nx is equal to m lambda. So we have to find the value of X. Rearranging this equation, X is equal to m lambda. This 2n will divide by this factor, divided by 2n. Now putting the values, X is equal to m is 1 here, and lambda value is changing it in the 546.1 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. 546.1 10 raised to power minus 9 divided by 2n, 2 into 1.40. Now solving this, we get the answer 1.95 10 raised to power minus 7. 1.95 10 raised to power minus 7 meter. This numerical is also important for short. Moving towards the fifth numerical. Fifth numerical is a diffraction grating has, which is denoted by capital N, per centimeter means 1 centimeter. The value of L is 1 centimeter. At what angle? We have to find the angle theta. And second order, the value of M is 2 of sodium yellow light of wavelength, and we are given with the value of wavelength. We have to find the value of theta with the values of N, which is number of lines, 5000 lines, and per centimeter means value of L is 1 centimeter. dividing by 100, we get 0.01 meter. Value of m, which is second order, means second. Then we are given with the wavelength, which value is 589 nanometer, which is equal to 589 10 is to power minus 9 meter. And we have to find the value of theta, angle. We will use the formula d sin theta is equal to m lambda. Theta is equal to m lambda divided by d, and d is equal to L divided by n. So in the place of d we can put m lambda is equal to L divided by n. Now this n is dividing here, it will go up and be multiplied with m lambda. M lambda n is by L. So theta is equal to sine inverse m lambda n divided by L. Putting the values, sine inverse m is 2 order, second order, multiplied by lambda is 589 10 is to power minus 9, and the value of n is 5000 divided by the value of L is 0.01. Now solving it, we will get the value of theta. 6 degree angle is the answer. Now moving towards the 6th numerical. 6th numerical is light is incident normally on grating which have 250 lines is the value of n and of L 1 per millimeter. Find the wavelength, we have to find the wavelength, and we are given with the second order, m value is second order, given with the value of theta as well. So we have to find the value of lambda. Again same like this problem number 5, this is same, just we have to find the value of lambda. Now moving towards the data and solution. Number of n is 250 lines and the value of L is 1 millimeter. Converting it into meter, 10 is to power minus 3 meter. M is second order. Value of theta is 12 degrees Celsius, and we have to find the value of lambda. Again using that equation, d sin theta is equal to m lambda. So we have to find the value of lambda. So rearranging it, we are not having the value of d, so it will be like this: L over n sin theta is equal to m lambda. Now rearranging, this m would divide with this factor, we will get the value of lambda is equal to L divided by n sin theta whole divided by m. Value is 1 into 10 is to power minus 3 divided by n value is 250 lines multiplied by sine theta is 12 degrees Celsius divided by m is second order. Now solving that in the calculator, you can write like this also: L sin theta divided by this n would divide with m n. We will get the answer 4.158 10 is to power minus 7 meter. Now moving towards the next numerical, number 7. Problem is, this is important for long question. First we are given with the first order, m value is 1. Then we are given with the angle, value of d, this is the value of d, to find the wavelength. Moving towards the data and solution, this is important for long because it is related to X-rays. This is first order, and we are given with the angle 5 degrees Celsius, and then we are given with the value of d, which is 2.8 10 is to power minus 10 meter, and we have to find the lambda value or wavelength. So the formula would be d sin theta is equal to m lambda. For x-rays we multiply 2 here for x-rays. Now we have to find the value of lambda. We are given with all the values. Lambda is equal to 2d sine theta divided by m. Now putting the values, 2 multiplied by d value is 2.8 10 is to power minus 10 into sine 5 degree divided by m is first order. Now solving it, we will get the value of lambda 4.88 10 is to power minus 11. If you write this answer, it would be also correct, but in the book we are given with like this. This point is shift here, we get 0.48 10 is to power minus 10 meter, and it will be equal to 9 because 8 is 9, rounding off. So this is the answer of 7 numerical. Now moving towards the 8 numerical. So problem number 8 is an X-ray of wavelength. We are given with the wavelength and we are given with the value of theta, and first order value of m is m1, and so we have to find the value of d with the value of wavelength, which is 0.48 10 is to the power minus 10 meter, and then we are given with the value of theta is equal to 20 degrees Celsius, and then first order value of m, then we have to find the d value. I told you for the formula of x-rays formula is 2d sine theta is equal to m lambda. Find the value of d, it will be like this: 2d is equal to m lambda divided by sine theta is multiplying here, it will go there and divide by this factor m lambda sine theta. Now solving it, then dividing it by 2, we will get the answer of d, all layers. So m value is 1 and lambda value is 0.48 10 is to power minus 10 divided by sine 20. Solving it, we will get the answer and dividing it by 2. Solving this, we get the answer 1.403 10 is to power minus 10. Now dividing it by 2, we will get the answer. D is equal to 7.017 10 is to power minus 11. You can write this answer as well, but in the book we are given, we have shaped this point here, so 0.7017 10 is to power minus 10 meter. This answer is also correct. Now moving towards the last numerical of this chapter, chapter number 9, physical optics. Last numerical is, we are given with the value of d, and then we are given with the value of theta, and we have to find the value of lambda, and n is first order, n is 1. In the data we are given with value of d is 0.282 nanometer. Convert it in the meter, 0.282 10 is to power minus 9 meter. Value of theta, which is 70, the value of n, which is 1. We have to find the value of lambda. Now for x-rays, the formula is 2d sine theta is equal to m lambda. So we have to find here lambda, 2d sine theta divided by m is equal to lambda. We want lambda only, so this m would divide with this factor. So lambda is equal to 2 into d value is 0.282 10 is to power minus 9 into sine theta value is 7 degree divided by the value of m is 1, or m or n is 1. So solving it, we go 0.069 10 raised to power 9, 10 raised to power minus 9, which is equal to 0.069 nanometer. So this is the answer. I hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.